Many people think buying a brand new home means zero problems, no repairs, no surprises, and no drama. But in Florida, there is what some call the invisible man, and he can show up after you close and come after your home. And most buyers have no idea this even exists. If you're buying new construction or even thinking about it, you need to understand this because it could actually cost you your home. I'm Courtney, a real estate broker here in Southwest Florida, and today I'm breaking down one of the most overlooked risks in real estate that almost nobody talks about. So what's happening behind the scenes? When a builder is constructing homes, they're working with dozens of contractors: concrete, framing, roofing, plumbing, electrical, the list goes on. Now let's say the builder hits a cash flow issue or simply doesn't pay one of those contractors or suppliers. That unpaid contractor does have legal rights. In Florida, they have up to 90 days to file a lien. Here's the scary part. That 90-day clock doesn't stop when you close. So you buy the home, you move in, everything looks good. Your title search, it was completely clean because the lien hadn't been filed. That is what we call the invisible man. He exists, but he's not on paper yet. And in Florida, that debt doesn't just follow the builder. It attaches to the property. That means if the builder doesn't pay, the contractor can legally come after your home, even after you've already bought it. In worst case scenarios, it can lead to foreclosures on a home you just purchased. And this is exactly why working with an experienced agent who knows the local builders matters. Not all builders operate the same. Some are incredibly organized and financially solid, and others cut corners or stretch payments. If your agent isn't familiar with how these builders actually do business behind the scenes, you could be walking into a situation you don't even know to look. So how do you protect yourself? Two things. Number one, never close without a final contractor's affidavit. This is a document where the builder swears under oath that everyone has been paid. Number two, your owner's title insurance covers unrecorded liens. That one detail can be the difference between being protected and being completely exposed. New construction can be amazing, but only if you understand what's happening behind the scenes. And this is where having the right agent in your corner really does matter. If you're buying in Florida and want to make sure you're protected every step of the way, contact me directly. And if this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's thinking about buying a new construction home here in Southwest Florida.